my channel Google View. Today we are going to do an experiment. We are going to do it in the kitchen. Come, let's do it. Come on. We are doing it near the sink, so mommy doesn't scold. So first we are gonna squeeze some lemon juice. Better take the seeds out. It's hard. Did it go? Now, I pour a glass of water. And now, I put one drop and she put one drop. One. Now, we mix it up. Little bit of vinegar. Now we pour some baking soda. Quickly. Wow! Pink. More baking soda. Come on, piss out. Wow, so pretty. If we put more baking soda, it might have gone higher, but that's all our baking soda. We are running out of baking soda. Never mind. At least it was a success. Perfect! Success! This experiment is success! This experiment is success!